Well, I got the brake all bled. Well, I got it strung up here on a rafter. Goes all the way down. Got the coupler right there. And all the way up right there. Yeah. Now I went down and got some of these O-rings from Harbor Freight. And these are the green ones. And it says that these are a little bit more tolerant towards solvents and stuff like that. And looking at the sizes that what was inside the caliper, the closest size was this one right here. I can't really tell. I'm thinking it's that one right there. So now that that's done, kind of, now I can go put it out on the machine. And I gotta put all that axle back together. Well, hey guys, okay, so, well, I just couldn't wait. It's about 1:45 in the morning right now, and I was gonna take the Fullscreen out for a quick spin. What, Nova? And I don't think I'll do that. It's a little too late. I'll probably take it out tomorrow morning and drive around with it and see if the yeah, I'll probably take it out tomorrow morning and drive it around a little bit, and then I'll edit the video and put it up. Well, you guys, okay, I'll have to admit, I just couldn't wait until the next day to put the brake back on. So I've got it on there, and I've pumped it up and bled it, and man, that took forever. Man, that's a long line to get it to bleed all that, but I think I've got it set up good enough to the point where it'll work now. It is 1:45, so I'm not going to take it out and drive around. Whoa, watch out. Maybe I shouldn't be walking forward with this light in my face so I can't see anything until I trip over it. Okay, well, I'm gonna set this thing up, get this GoPro going. Hit record. Alright. Now I'll try to sync up the audio. Now, it's been a while since this thing's been started, so look out, Mika! Kitty, kitty! Yeah, I should get a little bit of WD-40 for that chain a little bit here. You see, we've been doing some work out here. Alrighty, moment of truth. Now I'll reach over and turn off this camera. All right. Crap. Well, we're gonna try to get home without any brakes. Well guys, I'm gonna turn off the camera here. I won't record driving all the way back home, because I'm just gonna creep on the side here. And yeah. Yeah, dang it. The culprit is this coupler right here. Show you here quick. See, the bolt wasn't tight enough on this end right here, so I'm leaking out every time I push down. Some of it's squirting out. So I gotta make sure that's really super tight now. Yeah, I did kind of notice too, because when I was pumping on the pedal, my fluid was disappearing. Well, okay, I figured out that there were two culprits. The first one is that this coupler here wasn't tight enough, and when I would squeeze on the pedal or push on the pedal, I would have fluid dripping out of this end right here. So another culprit is I lost the key back here, and I didn't even notice it. See, I just got done bleeding it. Make sure she's on there tight. Don't want to mess this up. But yeah, so all this stuff is all tightened up now, and I did lose the key in here, so it was gripping the disc, but it wasn't slowing me down. And yeah, so yeah, she should work okay now. So one of my problems is I have to keep track or keep watch on those seals on that coupler to make sure it doesn't keep dripping. I wonder if that was the problem before when I was out driving around that one night, because I push on the brake and I'd have no pressure whatsoever, or maybe there was air getting left in there or something. I don't know. But I've got all this stuff really tight now, and I had to replace the little washer seals on that coupler with some different ones, but they didn't look all that good either, so I don't know if I'm going to still have the same problems.